the attributes and personality of God. God is merciful, gracious, slow to anger, abundant in loving kindness and truth, maintains love to thousands, forgives wickedness, rebellion, and sin, but does not leave the guilty unpunished, punishes the children of the guilty and their children for the sin of the parents to the third and fourth generation, befriends those who fear him, and he will show them his covenant, is the mighty one who will save you, rejoices over you with joy, and he will calm you in his love. He will rejoice over you with singing. His compassions never fail, and they are new every morning. Delivers those who set their love on him because they know his name. Makes your path straight when you acknowledge him in all of your ways. Listens and hears the desires of the humble.